Looking for a robot vacuum that actually does the job? You're in the right place. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners that combine power, precision, and performance, so you don't waste a dime or a minute. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the Lefant M1, a smart robot vacuum with 4,000 PA suction, a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, and advanced LiDAR navigation. It offers 3-in-1 cleaning, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping, with intelligent carpet detection and 150 minutes of runtime. Covering up to 150 gross, it features multi-layer mapping, smart water control, and Wi-Fi connectivity. With Alexa and Google Home support, it adapts to uneven floors with a floating mop and brush, ensuring deep, efficient, and floor-safe cleaning. Item number 4. Introducing the RAYFURN robot vacuum with 6,000 PA suction, a 2,500 mAh battery, and 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping. It features smart app and voice control, HEPA filtration, and 4 cleaning modes for every need. Its ultra-slim 2.91 design slips under furniture with ease, while smart sensors prevent collisions and falls. Ideal for pet owners, it captures hair and dust tangle-free. With 110 minutes of runtime and auto recharge, cleaning is effortless. Plus, you get a solid 2-year warranty. Item number 3. Meet the Boemore D2, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum with 3,600 PA suction, a 4,400 mAh battery, and 120 minutes of runtime. It features a 600 ml dust box, 180 ml water tank, and supports app, remote, and voice control via Alexa and Google Home. With 4 cleaning modes, smart obstacle avoidance, and a 3.07-inch slim design, it cleans tight spaces with ease. Ideal for pet homes, it auto-charges and ensures smooth cleaning across tiles, wood, and low-pile carpets. Item number 2. Introducing the ABIR X6, a smart robot vacuum powered by a strong 4,400 mAh Li-ion battery with up to 120 minutes of runtime. It features 6,000 PA suction, a 360 ml electric water tank, and a 600 ml dustbin. With camera, V-SLAM, and SLAM triple navigation, it offers precise mapping, zone cleaning, and virtual barriers. Just 7.6 centimeters thin, it slides under furniture with ease. Control it via app or voice using Alexa or Google Home for a seamless cleaning experience. Item number 1. The OKP Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers over 5 cleaning modes with a powerful Li-ion battery that delivers up to 2 hours of runtime. Featuring a 0.5-liter dust box, it provides efficient sweeping and suction without the need for bags. With wireless operation, smart timing reservation, and a compact, lightweight build, it's perfect for daily home cleaning. Certified by CE and CB, the OKP vacuum is ideal for simple, hands-free cleaning, powerful, practical, and easy to use. Which of these robot vacuum cleaners is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.